Yo, what is up my fellow book-obsessed legends? Welcome back to Simplified Reads, where we skip the yap and get straight to the spicy sauce. Today we're looking at the absolute final boss of tropes, arranged marriages to ruthless Mafia heirs. These stories are pure black force energy, and will literally reset your brain chemistry, so let's dive into these absolute bangers. Bound by Honor by Cora Riley, published in 2014, is the OG no-cap Mafia starter pack that established the blueprint for the New York famiglia through the eyes of Aria Scuderi, a principessa forced into a marriage with the cold-blooded Luca Vidiello. Luca has zero Pookie energy and 100% I will end you vibes, creating a dynamic where the patriarchy is doing the most and Aria has to find a way to survive his main character dominance. When reading this Simplified Reads pick, you've got to remember that Luca is a literal villain who hasn't heard of a soft launch. And the power imbalance is a major factor to consider for anyone diving into this top-tier authority romance. Building on that classic foundation of family duty, The Sweetest Oblivion by Danielle Laurie, released in 2018, gives us Elena Abelli, a girl with good vibes only energy who accidentally catches the eye of Nicholas Russo, the ultimate black cat boyfriend. Nicholas is actually supposed to marry her sister to settle some family beef, but his obsession with Elena is so unhinged it basically breaks the internet through a masterclass in manipulation. It's a total forbidden snack where you have to consider that Nicholas is high-key sus and doesn't care about your feelings, making him a certified hater of anyone who gets in his way as he breaks all the rules of the arrangement. While Nicholas breaks the rules with charm, the chaos hits a different level in Brutal Prince by Sophie Lark, published in 2020, an Enemies to Lovers slay featuring Ida Gallo and Callum Griffin, whose families force them to get hitched to stop a literal server wipe of their bloodlines. Ida is a firecracker who tries to delete the hero on day one, making their love language basically physical combat and requiring readers to factor in that their aggression is totally feral. It's a wild ride where the Heir energy is maxed out and the banter is giving. I hope you step on a Lego until the chemistry finally explodes into a fierce, mutual respect. Taking that clash of equals vibe even further, Ruthless People by J.J. McAvoy, released in 2014, proves that two villains can actually be a power couple through Liam Callahan and Melody Giovanni. Melody has more alpha energy than most heroes, and their marriage isn't a soft romance. It's a tactical nuke that requires you to realize neither of them are good people, as they both engage in 100% black force activity. This is a total flex of power, where you have to consider the high level of violence and the fact that both leads are unrepentant final bosses who rule their empires with zero chill. If you prefer your final boss with a bit more of a fairy tale twist, Painted Scars by Neva Altage, published in 2022, is basically Beauty and the Beast, but make it Bratva and give it max riz. Nina has to marry Roman, a scarred Pakhan who everyone thinks is a total monster, but he ends up being a simp only for her, protecting her like she's his precious. A major factor to consider here is the representation of trauma and disability, as the hero's scars are central to his identity, making it a top-tier comfort read for anyone who wants a he's a monster to everyone but her dynamic that feels high-key wholesome despite the crime. However, the monster energy gets a lot darker in Sinners Anonymous by Sam Sketcher, from 2021, a total forbidden mess where Rory is supposed to marry one guy, but his uncle Angelo, the vicious Medici, decides to yoink her for himself. Angelo's obsession is down bad, on a criminal level, and he uses his big boss status to make sure she has no choice but him, effectively stealing his nephew's bride. One thing to keep in mind is that the hero's behavior is 100% red flag territory, and the consent can feel a bit mid compared to softer romances, making it a certified dark read for those who want their Mafia heirs truly unhinged. That sense of unhinged control reaches its peak in Vow of Deception by Rena Kent, published in 2021, a AAA psychological thriller where Adrian Volkov basically gaslights the heroine into thinking she's his dead wife. It's giving mental gymnastics, and the plot twists will literally make your brain lag as you try to figure out what's actually real in this twisted marriage. Adrian is a cold-blooded Russian with zero pity, and the factor to consider here is that the whole arrangement is a massive lie that pushes the limits of the dark romance genre into a space where you can't trust anyone on the page. Shifting away from the mental games into a space of genuine vulnerability, Twisted Emotions by Cora Riley, released in 2019, hits different because Nino Falcone is an emotionless, Heir and Kiara is a girl in her healing era following massive past trauma. Their arranged marriage is a top-tier story about safety over danger, focusing on how two broken people build a no-cap connection despite their brutal surroundings. You definitely need to factor in the heavy triggers like PTSD and past assault, as this book is more about emotional growth and slow burn vibes than just typical Mafia action, providing a deep, soulful connection. That emotional depth is replaced by a cold thirst for vengeance in Ruthless Heir by Sasha Leone, published in 2022, which centers on Gabriel Corso using a forced marriage to get revenge on the heroine's family. Gabriel treats his new bride like a pawn in his game, creating an I hate you but I want you tension that is pure fire throughout the entire read as she tries to survive his wrath. The main thing to consider here is Gabriel's cold, calculating villain energy as a hero, which makes the enemies to lovers transition feel high-key intense and earned as their mutual hate turns into an unstoppable obsession. Finally, rounding out the list with a hero who lets his actions do the talking, Silent Vows by Jill Ramsower, published in 2022, gives us Connor, the silent but deadly type. Literally, he doesn't talk, which is a total vibe shift for an arranged marriage. Noelle thinks she's marrying a brute who will treat her poorly, but it turns out Connor's silent Riz is actually God tier, and he communicates through protective main character actions that keep her safe from rival gangs. You have to factor in the Irish mob vibes and the silence trope, which makes the intimacy feel built different compared to heroes who won't stop yapping about their power. And that's a wrap on our Mafia Marriage Brainrot session. If these books didn't give you major hard eyes or severe anxiety, you might need to check your aura levels. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Simplified Reads so you never miss a certified hood classic recommendation. Stay legendary.